Welcome to Retro Racer. I've been testing and tuning these Group A touring cars. They're all Scalextrics apart from the BMW 635 CSI, which is a Spirit. The Scalextrics all have standard tyres, and the Spirit has some homemade 50 Shore polyurethane. Now unfortunately my 6-year-old iPad had some performance issues when I was recording the data screen, using Smart Race of course. So unfortunately there is quite a bit of lag in the data up the top right of the screen. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the session. Thanks for watching. Sorry about including my ugly mug and my high-vis work clothes. This was just after work on a Friday afternoon.
3,
a bit of fun.
2, 1, go!
Just adjusting up the VL Commodore power setting. As in the previous testing before this video, it was a little on the slow side.
Perkins did a new fastest lap. Fastest lap by Perkins. Perkins did a new fastest lap. Moff did a personal best lap time. Moff did a personal best lap time. New personal best lap time by Goss. Goss did a personal best lap time. New personal best lap time by Goss. Perkins is in the lead. New personal best lap time by Richards. Richards did a personal best lap time. New personal best lap time by Richards. New personal best lap time by Richards. New personal best lap time by Johnson. Johnson did a personal best lap time. Johnson did a personal best lap time. Perkins is in the lead. Attention, only 1 minute left. Perkins is in the lead. Hulme did a personal best lap time. New personal best lap time by Hulme.
So there's going to be a lot more testing and tuning done for parity, and also all the cars are going to receive slot invasion guides to avoid damaging the lane change returns, which has already happened to one using the narrow Scalextric guide. I'll also try a little weight in the narrow Jag and to try and settle that down, and possibly even the Sierras too, because they're very touchy to drive. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for joining me. Bye for now.